Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to save audio from any Instagram reel so you can use it in any of your favorite editing software for your videos. I really have two methods to show you in this particular video. I have two methods to show you in this particular video, and if I had to advise you, this for me the second one is more easier, but I will advise you to watch the full video and select the one you know you can do better. So I advise you to watch the two methods which I'm going to show you in this particular video. So the first method, what you want to do now is to go to Instagram, to go and check go to Instagram Reels. Let's say you want to download this. Let's say you want to download this particular Reels. You want to download this thing and use it for your own video. So the first thing you have to do here, I will omit it because of copyright. So the first thing you have to do is to come to this place that have three dots here. I'm showing you the first method though. So you come to here and copy the link and tap on it. So this thing will appear. You copy the link. This one that say link, just tap on it. The link has been copied. So you go out from Instagram. You go to your browser, whether iPhone or Android. So I'm going to be using Android in this particular tutorial. So I will go to my Chrome browser. I will go to my Chrome browser. You can do this both in iPhone and Android. So the first thing you have to do, which is the first method I'm going to be teaching you here, is to just type on off mp3.com. Then click on it. It will open this page for you. So this thing that you click before, you copy the link that you copied from Instagram. You just come to this bar here, this particular place that say search or enter any of your URL downloader, something like that. So what you have to do is to just come here, tap on it, hold it, and paste what you copy from Instagram Reels. That same thing that you copied, and just click on this download. It will be generating the MP3 for you. Now it's ready. You can just come here. As you can see, it's 17 seconds. Okay, you can see here, it's 17 seconds. This is the name of the music, Weekend for the Judgment. So this thing here that appear now is really hard. Just come to this corner that say remove it. Then you just remove it. Just go to this place that is download MP3. Just click on it. Voila, you are done. Once you click on it, you can see start downloading already. Successful download. So this is also a ad. You just cancel it. Just cancel it. So this thing has been downloaded already. Let me go to my phone and play it for you so that you can see it. So this is the audio here. Let me just click on it. As you can see. So it's not an audio in my phone. So you can just go to your phone and put it inside your video with your editing, any type of your editing software. So this is the first method. And first thing that you have to do is to check the name here at this top, so that if you want to search for the name when you want to use it for your audio, when you say you should open file, you just check for the name. Yeah, Weekend at the Judge or something like that. So you will just check the name so that if you go to use it, you just search for the name, it will pop up and you use it for your video, anything you want. So the second method I'm going to be teaching you now is you go to your Instagram also, you choose, let's choose another, okay, let's say we want to use this reel for the second method. Then you see come to this the three dots here, you click on it, you copy the link, then you go to your same thing. I'm using Android, so I go to my Chrome, I type instavideosave.net. That's what you are going to click, instavideosave.net. Then you open it. Once you open it, you can see this thing here is on reel. You take it to audio, which is this place. Then you just tap on it and click on it. Then you search for the music. As you can see, look at the music here. You just open it. Let me open it. So this is the music now. So if you want to
Somebody tell you not to be yourself. Don't
do you understand? So this is the music now. So if you want to download the audio, you press this first download audio. You just click on it. The audio will be on its way to your phone immediately. It doesn't waste time. You will just go straight. So the network is kind of disturbing. You just click on it. So that is actually how you can download so this is the second method. And if you have not subscribed, please don't. As you can see, it's downloading now. The network has been disturbing before, that's why. So it's fully downloaded. So let's play it. Let's just open it.
If somebody tell you not to be
so this is actually how you can download audio from Instagram Reels, that you can use it for your videos, that you can put in editing software and use it for your video. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so, because we always learn good things in this channel every time. So I don't know which one is best for you, and comment the one that is best for you on the comment section. Don't forget